In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Koyfin. So, first of all, make sure you are on the official website of koyfinn.com and already log in with your credential. And if you don't have yet an account, you can sign up for free here in Koyfin. So now, let's explore the dashboard. So you'll see here a clean layout with the market overviews, watch lists, and tools. So to search a ticket, use the top search bar to enter a stock ETF or crypto or index. It could be like TSLA or BTC, it's up to you. And then after that, to view the snapshot page, you'll see charts in here, key stats, financial, and news for the selected assets. So you can use tools like charts to customize technical indicators. You can use comparisons to compare multiple tickets or tickers. You can also use the earnings calendars. So for checking upcoming events, you can also use the tools for screener to find stocks by custom filters. So now you can now track your favorites. So add assets to your watch list and create dashboards to monitor them. And that's how you use Koyfin here in the official website of Koyfin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.